Hey everyone, if your Vivaldi browser keeps crashing on PC in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you step-by-step solutions to fix crashes, freezes, and sudden shutdowns in Vivaldi. First, Vivaldi can crash due to heavy extensions, GPU hardware acceleration, corrupted profile data, or low system memory. Start by fully closing Vivaldi. Open Task Manager and end all Vivaldi processes. Next, restart your PC. Yeah, this clears temporary memory and stops background conflicts. Extensions are one of the biggest causes of crashes. Disable all extensions and test Vivaldi again. If it stops crashing, enable extensions one by one to find the problem. Now check GPU acceleration. Yeah, sometimes graphics rendering causes Vivaldi to crash. Turn it off in settings or launch Vivaldi in safe mode. Corrupted cache files can also cause instability. Clearing cache often fixes random crashes. Make sure you're using the latest version. Yeah, updates fix bugs and improve stability. If your system is low on memory, Vivaldi may crash when too many tabs are open. Close unused tabs or restart the browser regularly. A corrupted user profile is a serious issue. Renaming the profile folder can fix persistent crashes. Outdated GPU drivers can cause rendering crashes. Yeah, update drivers from NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel. If nothing works, reinstall Vivaldi. Uninstall it completely, then download the latest version from the official website. For better stability, avoid installing too many extensions and keep your browser updated. Yeah, also restart Vivaldi once in a while if you use many tabs. A common mistake is ignoring extensions. I mean, most crash issues come from just one bad extension, and that's it. You've successfully learned how to fix Vivaldi Browser crashing on PC in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.